extreme. You can be so temperamental, but I'm not looking for a love that'll last. I know what I need, and I need it fast. Yeah, there's one thing in common that we both share. There's a need for each other, anytime, anywhere. It gets so urgent, so urgent. You know it's urgent. I wanna tell you it's a slave to me. Ooh, so Has she forgotten all about me? Oh, if the girl did mine, oh mine. With your eyes so big and shiny, you can see the whole damn land. Yellow moon, can you tell me if the girl is another man? Man, whoa, 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 whoa. Yellow moon, yellow moon, yellow moon. that funky stuff. Give it to me. Give me that stuff, that funk, that sweet, that funky stuff. Give it to me. Give it to me. Give it to me. Give it to me. Give me the funk, that sweet, funky stuff. That stuff, that funk, that sweet, that funky stuff. Give it to me. Give me that stuff, that funk, that sweet, that funky stuff. Give it to me. Give it to me. Give it to me. Give it to me. Give me a stuff, that sweet, funky stuff.
thank you enough. But now there's some very extremely nice vehicles out there. Yes. And these awards are just a small token for you guys coming out. But now what I mostly want to thank you for coming out and showing your support and fellowshipping with us. That's important. Kindness doesn't cost us anything. It doesn't cost us nothing. But the world is in bad shape because people don't have the kind, don't share the love. There's a bunch of people here today came up to me. Some of them I know, some of them I don't. Too Tall, we just love what you're doing. Too Tall this, Too Tall that, just kind. And it makes me more appreciative of this thing every year when we get ready to put it on. So on behalf of that, I like to, my staff, my wife, and the other guys' wives, our club members, if you would, please stand. We came, it's a small group. We came together and we put this show on. Nobody complained. Everybody took responsibility. And man, everything works out. See, when everybody get a small slice of the pie, then that means don't nobody get full. So then nobody get lazy. So we all got a small slice. Me and old Roy Bailey, that's my reverend. Where you at, Roy? That's my reverend now. We have Bible study at night over his house. But me and him kind of cheated a little bit when we was cooking that meat. See, we got a double slice of the pie. We got a little full, in other words. But listen, I can't thank you guys enough. And I know it's hard. We're going to go ahead and get these awards out so everybody can go. But if I forget to say thanks to anybody, just come up, hit me in the back of the head or do something because I want to know that I forgot somebody if I need. We're going to start out with the top 20. This wasn't a class show. We had the top 20 awards for the, top 20 cars. And we're going to start out the top 20s, no particular order. Your car, number doesn't, if you 40, don't mean you place number 40. It's no place. Randy Senior, 1929 coupe. Thank you, Randy. Thank you.
Picture, yeah.
And someone left this on the table. Someone left this on the table. Number 4, Ron Rogers, 1970 Chevelle. Car number 5, Norman Callers, 67 Chevelle.
Appreciate it.
Car number 14, Stacy Marshall. 77 Trans Am. Car number 25, Ann Hamilton, a 64 Chevrolet pickup C-King. And another else came all the way from Fort Worth, Texas.
Fort Worth, Texas. Thank you.
Card number 40. Ed Chopin. Yeah. 40 Chevrolet.
Convertible.
Appreciate you.
Thank you, sir.
Card number 21. Rufus Wiley. 69 Camaro. Hey, Rufus. Card number 45. 78 El Camino, Joe Whittaker.
Thank you, buddy.
Card number 46. Larry Moore, 41 Willis Coupe. Thank you again, Larry.
Thank you for having me.
We was at a show down in Palestine, and me and Larry run up on each other. He told me, he said, "You thought I was gonna be there for pre-call ride."
About drying up.
Call number 55, Bill Beecher. Thank you again, Bill.
Thank you, sir.
Call number 61, 63 Impalo, James Miller. Card number 70, 66 Ford F-100, Josh Boo Boo. Josh Simmons. Josh Simmons.
Right there.
Thank you again, Josh.
All right, bro.
Thank you, bro. That's my Shreveport, Louisiana running buddy. Card number 8, Sam Butler. Sam, you did a good job with that Camaro.
Thanks, sir.
Sam has a 71 Camaro. Card number 16, Woody Plunkett, 37 Chevy pickup. It's that Harley Davidson color.
Yeah, he's rolling.
Y'all better get out of Woody's way. I want to get into you with it.
Congratulations, brother.
Thank you.
Yes, sir.
This man,
He's a mess, isn't he?
this man is 90 years old, and he's still trucking. 90 years old. Car number 23, 1940 Coupe, Gail Flanagan.
Congratulations, man.
Thank you, Gail. Car number 38, Bill and Barbara Wisenhunt. This is the LT1 and Tuneport mechanic right here. What I need to see here. Best show. Appreciate you.
Hello. Hi, Mom.
Car number 5669 GTO, Ed Hush Puppy. Okay, I'll get it right next year, Ed. Don't worry. Car number 2635 Ford, Oliver Goodwin. All right, so ready, Ed. Now, Oliver made my day today. He told me that's the best food he's eaten in a long time.
Congratulations, man.
Thank y'all. Car number 17, 49 Chevy pickup, Rusty Strode. That's that real nice blue 49 Chevy pickup. Big block. Big block. He wants some of me. I'm gonna let him have just a small amount. I ain't listening. Dad, are you ready? Because I'm gonna have to go all out to get that tune for it. If I tell him something, I want you. That's what I'm doing. Yep. Okay. We got a 1960, we got car number 63, 1964 C10 TK Benny. This is a warrior right here. Then he left the show in Longview, hit 20, went to Fort Worth. Same day. As a man, he ain't scared to drive his truck.
Congratulations, brother.
Thank you, man. Okay, that concludes our top 20. We're gonna go with the specialty award, best engine, best interior, so forth. Before we do the best of show car and truck. The reason why this club decided we present a best of car trophy for the best of car and the best truck, simply because it's just too nice of an event for one best of show to just cancel out everything. So in this, we decided to continue our deal on having a best of show car and a best of show truck. So, okay, car number 51, People's Choice Award goes to Rudy Anderson. Best engine went to car number 7, 65 Ford Mustang, Mark Getz. Thank you, Mark. Thank you. Car number 18 was the best interior, 1934 Ford Cabriolet, Sue Wells. Right here, B-Ray. Car number 19, Rat Rod, 1937 Dodge pickup, Larry Welch. Thank you, Larry.
I hope I'm not in your way when I.
No.
Okay.
You got it. Hey, you can help. Let me tell you. This is the best part of y'all. Yeah. Let's go with it.
Best paint is car number 43 with a bunch of stuff hanging up out the hood. 1957 Chevrolet pickup, Lawrence Hawk.
Congratulations.
I hear you.
Top coat.
We had a best unfinished, car number 33. Michelle or Michael, which one is that? L.E. Lindsley, Lightning. It's a 1972 Chevy C10. Anybody in the house that traveled as far as Fort Worth? So the travelers as far as will go to Fort Worth, right?
I ain't coming from Colorado, Arkansas.
So that would be Ann. Ann Hamilton. Her and her husband traveled to farthest. That's it, I'm finished. Making sure. And we thank you so much. Travel to farthest.
Yeah. Congratulations. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Now, people, there's a green Ford pickup. I don't have a number on it. It's a turquoise green maybe. Right there. Best original. Thank you, sir. We have a best of show car. And it's a 1932 Ford 3-winner. Danny Flanagan. Look at my car. Thank you, Danny. Danny and his wife are the proud owners of a business here in Texarkana, Flanagan's Upholstery, Fitwell's Upholstery. He did the upholstery in several of our vehicles. The Best of Show truck. I'm a truck owner. And when I say this song God is clean, damn it, I mean that. And it ain't no question, I'm serious. There's a bunch of clean trucks, a bunch of nice trucks. But when you're voting and picking, you know that you just got to, you know. And we come up with a 1950 model Ford pickup, number 44, Sammy Walker. Sammy, we appreciate you, man. Thank you. Appreciate you. Now, for you all that are, for all of you all, 50-50, going to make that drawing now. And that'll conclude our.
Shake it up, Mark. Shake it up. Shake it. Let Mark shake
Who's got the 50-50 money?
Keith, that stretching paid off.
Come on, age for beauty.
Here.
Daniel,
Uh-huh.
see you down the road.
Have a good one, sir.